Alright, welcome back. I have a quick room tour for you. We are at the Hilton Garden Inn in Las Vegas on City Center on Dean Martin Drive. I'll show you the bathroom real quick. So there you go, plenty of space. You put all your stuff right here. Mirror right there. Hey, there I am, kind of. There you go, your toilet. Got your shower stall right here. Everything you need right here. Shower gel, shampoo, conditioner. Let's see here. Hey, there I am right there. So you have some hanger space right here. You can hang whatever you need to hang right here. Let's see, an iron right here. Your ironing board is on the other side. So you got all that stuff right here. Here's pretty cool. You have a microwave, which is awesome. Here's a K-cup coffee maker. An ice bucket thing right here. You have a few different types of coffee right here. Actually, that's black tea, decaf, and then a couple of house coffees. You have your cups right here. Let's see what's down here, actually. Here's a fridge. Okay, so it's a mini fridge. Alright, so that's what the entrance looks like right here. Let's see. You have this is a double bed right here, so this is the first bed right here. You have your outlets right here. So this is pretty cool. It has plenty of outlets. 2 regular power outlets plus 2 USB power outlets. Alarm clock, some more outlet space right here. Some night lights. Here's the other bed right here. Here's the TV. This is just like a little bench area or something. But let's see what's down here. Oh, just some storage space. I really don't use these normally. Don't mind this. This is my dinner right here. Let's see what else we got here. The other bed. Other than that, here you go. Basically just a chair right here. And I don't think we have a view, so I'm not even gonna look back there. But yeah, you do have a window. And just a quick overview of the room right here. It's actually a really nice room. Highly recommend it. Very comfortable, very modern. I think this hotel is only 5 years old. But stay tuned. I will show you the pool, and I will show you the little cool area where it has like a fireplace. It has like cornhole. It has Jenga, I think. We'll see it. But yeah, we have some cool spaces like that. So I'll show you that in the morning when it's light out so you guys can get a better look, okay? But stay tuned for that.